Diamond ring DIY tutorial. Using wire, you can easily make your own comically large prop diamond ring in minutes. Start with about 1 meter or 1.5 arms length of wire. Bend at the midpoint. That is where you will start. Measure a 2 cm segment and bend. You'll use this 2 cm as a guide to make your starting square. Bend your segments at right angles. Fold one wire over to lock into place. This first shape is the most important as it will be the top of your ring. After, fold through your square. Now, you'll start on the next square. The first square will be surrounded by 4 squares. Measure 2 cm as before. You can use the original side as a guide, but here I prefer to measure once in a while. Now, lock your second square into place. The rule is, before proceeding to your next shape, your wire must be folding towards you. So, I fold through the second square first, to get the wire to the backside, before the third square begins. I keep measuring because I want to keep the squares consistent. Here, I am folding through the first square, and then away from me. So I weave through the third square first. Now do you get the rule? We prefer folding towards us when making new shapes as we are looking from the bottom of the diamond. This wire loops away from you to lock the shape in place. Then a second loop is made to place the free wire at the back. Before you complete the fourth square, use one of its sides to head left to form an equilateral triangle. The rule still applies. This folds away from you to close the triangle. I fold through the square to get to the back. Use the other end to complete your fourth square. Fold back through the square. Then loop through the triangle, this time to get the wire at the back. Measure 4 cm here to make an isosceles triangle. Lock the shape in place as usual. Now, bridge over to the other square by forming an equilateral triangle. Can you see the vision? The diamond is inverted in this position. The longer isosceles triangles form the pointy bottom half of the diamond. Now repeat the process. You're alternately making the top half of the diamond, and then the structure of the bottom half. If you maintain consistent measurements, the squares will naturally bend inward, to form the bowl-like portion of the diamond. Don't forget the rule of getting the wire to the back before making another shape. It's really up to you on the measurements of the segments. I found that twice the top segment or a 2:1 ratio works better than adding a ½ centimeter. Close the last equilateral triangle. And meet the free ends to close the fourth isosceles triangle. Use the longer of the two to bind the tips of your isosceles triangles. Do this for every side of the triangles. Now you can see the diamond taking shape. Loop over the ends very tightly to secure the bottom of the diamond. Once you've gone around all the sides of the triangles, you can proceed to the next step. Check your diamond's shape. Straighten the lines and fix the angles. Here you can see why I made the rule of folding towards you. The wires look neater from top view. After a quick once-over, that's your comically large diamond done. Use another wire to create the ring. Ideally, both the ring and diamond can be made with a single continuous length of wire, but it makes the folding over and through more tedious. Secure the second wire by looping over. See how tedious it is with long pieces of wire? You can go around all the branches to better secure the base of the diamond where it meets the ring portion. Once you've gone around, thread your leading wire under a loop over to lock the base. Make sure to avoid kinks in the wire to make this step seamless. Now measure around a finger to approximate the ring size. Once done, twist over the wire to secure the size. Do so on the other side as well. Now spiral your way around the ring. This gives it weight, sturdiness, and texture. You can opt to trim the excess wires, as long as the ring is secured. I intentionally oversized the ring diameter. Make sure that the wires neatly spiral around the ring portion. In my case, they partially overlap each other to hold the one prior secure. Let's skip close to the end. Once you're close to the end, make sure your wire is taut and tight, so it does not unravel. Cross and twist over the other side as well. Once you've locked the ring, thread it through the bottom of the diamond. This is where I'll trim the wire. I then fold the small nub using tweezers. Check your work. And you're done. You can make the diamond more elaborate by changing the starting shape from a square to any shape with more sides. You can use different colors of wire. With this one, I used green wire, then covered it with a softer gold wire. I made this one for a ring finger. This one uses gold wire only. You can use this design as a frame for papier-mâché. Then once it's dry, you can paint it to any color you want. Give one to a friend as a gift, make one as a prop, or keep one yourself. This was an easy DIY diamond ring from wire. Good luck and take care. Thanks for watching.